Hello, this is MKD Kitchen and Bath. We would like to thank you for letting us be part of your kitchen refacing experience. To prepare for your installation, there are a few items we need to cover. The day of your project, our installation team will arrive and introduce themselves, review the details of your project, and answer any questions you may have. The installer will go over any modifications to your cabinets and discuss an accurate timeline. They'll then prep your kitchen for installation to begin and cover all flooring, countertops, and appliances. The installer will then check over your product to verify it's ready for installation and confirm all measurements match. At this point, the crew will begin the demo and prep your kitchen for the refacing to begin. After the demo and modifications are complete, our team will start applying the refacing materials. Once the refacing is complete, our installers will install all doors, drawers, and accessories to complete your new kitchen. At the end of every project, our installers are required to clean up their work area. Once refacing is complete, then all protection that was put down is removed and a final clean will take place. Thank you again for choosing MKD Kitchen and Bath. We look forward to a smooth installation and seeing the transformation of your cabinets.